Hello and welcome back to Trend Tech Guy. Today I'll show you how to download stickers on Telegram to make your chats more fun. First, open the Telegram app and go to any chat. Tap the sticker icon in the text input area. Then tap the plus icon to open the sticker store. Reach through the Rainbow sticker packs and add next to the pack you like to down the upvotes. Once added, the stickers will be ready. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.